out here amongst all this nature, you can really clear your mind, get your thoughts together. Today's the first day of the fall equinox, September 23rd, 2014. Fall is my favorite time of year. To me, it symbolizes transformation. Spring does too, but fall is much more poignant. Can't see too much changes in the leaves just yet, but the leaves start to become their typical oranges and red and different colors. It's beautiful. Now, which way should I go? I know there's water. There's a lake around here somewhere. I'll go right. I haven't been to this park in, maybe 6 years or more. I'd say like 6 years. I think the lake is down this way. I don't know. Do some light reading. That's an interesting looking branch. Doing this video, I don't really know what to say. I'm contemplating should I put it on YouTube or not, but I haven't really said much other than I like fall. I'm considering starting to vlog. I'm actually a freelance writer, blogger, and I've been blogging for casually. I'm part of Casual Bloggers Anonymous, something that I coined because I was feeling like I was being so lazy, just sort of blogging as things came across my mind or whatnot. Okay, I'm gonna start getting concerned if I don't see see some kind of park building, or I don't know. I'm out here by myself. Let me stop being scary. But yeah, considering vlogging, and try and give it a shot. There's a lot on my mind as it is. These are my boots. I thought they were cute. Okay, enough of that. Yeah, here we go. I hadn't been out here to this lake in over 5 years. And I was first introduced to it by an ex of mine. Someone I used to date, rather. And he said he'd come out here and think. And it was during the summertime that I came out here. And, yeah. And I agree with him. It's a interesting spot to go and gather your thoughts. Yeah, it's all coming back to me now. You can smell the deciduous forest, the whole, the green, the water, plant life. Oh, look, there's a crane. He's just hanging out. It is lunchtime. I don't blame him. I actually haven't eaten lunch yet. But wow, look at the beak on that thing. Well, I think I'll go this way. So, this is more of a monologue of sorts. I'm thinking about one of my favorite YouTubers, Tanya TKO. I remember, I think she's from out of New York, and look at that. I wonder where they're going. She would be walking through Central Park, or wherever she happened to be, and she would have her camera, or sometimes out where, I think she said where her father, or where she's from, I can't recall, the islands nonetheless, and she'd be out there and would show, give us a glimpse of that island, and would talk, her big sister talk, and really just, document her thoughts on things. I don't know. Maybe I'm not ready yet. Maybe I'm not ready to. I just need to soak this in, and I just need to think, and I just need this time with God. But I'll revisit this place, not literally, but spiritually.